Tonight, let's continue to learn Buko 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, who is this?
It's a baby.
What's the baby doing?
Lipstick.
The baby
Lipstick.
sleeping. Good job. You have to say full sentence. The baby is sleeping.
The baby lipstick.
Good. Look at the mouse. What does a mouse do?
One.
Runs. A mouse runs.
One.
Good job. Now next. Here. A mouse runs. Who runs after the mouse?
Cat run after a mouse.
Very good. But look at the cat. The cat steps on someone's tail. Whose tail is it?
A dog.
A dog's tail. Very good. You say, the cat.
Cat sit on a dog chair.
How is a dog?
Orange.
The dog.
Orange.
Now you say the dog is angry.
A dog is angry.
Very good. Now next page. And now who runs after the cat? Who runs after the cat? Very good. You say again. A dog runs.
A dog runs after a cat.
Very good. And what is it? What animal is it? It is a duck?
No.
What is it?
Hen.
Is?
Hen.
Very good. And here?
One.
No, what is it?
Egg.
Egg. How many eggs are there?
1, 2, 3.
There are 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
But this egg is broken. Who broke the egg? The cat broke the egg.
No.
The hen broke the egg.
No.
Who broke the egg?
A dog.
The dog
A dog put
broke the egg. Oh no. Is the hen happy?
No.
How is the hen?
Hen. It. Hen. It. Angry.
The hen is angry. Angry. Another hen?
A hen runs after a dog.
But what happened?
Kick also.
The hen
A hen kick also
on
on the duck head.
and there's a lump on her head. How is a duck? The duck
Duck.
is happy?
No. Angry.
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 The duck is angry.
A duck angry.
Okay, and now who runs after the hen? The duck?
Duck after a hen.
Okay, you say again. A duck.
A duck run after a hen.
Okay, but look at the pig. Who steps on the pig's belly?
Duck.
A duck. Good job. You say a duck.
A duck sits on a big belly.
Okay. And now the pig. The pig.
One after a duck.
Okay.